Did you know that sharks can't get cancer?
Well, that's actually a myth. Sorry. But you know which animal actually doesn't? Naked mole rats. While I don't exactly admire their looks, I certainly admire their host of other supernatural abilities, including their capacity to live long, cancer-free lives. But why is it exactly that a saber-toothed sausage is one of the few creatures on Earth resistant to cancer? Let's go back to the beginning. What is cancer, exactly? Well, the very condensed answer is that cancer is when your cells, due to exposure to carcinogens or malfunctions in your DNA, start duplicating without restriction. You tend to be more likely to get cancer as you age, and yet, naked mole rats, despite living very long rodent lives, averaging about 30 years, are cancer resistant. How? To put it simply, there are many pieces to the puzzle in all levels of defense. For example, naked mole rats produce a thick, sticky substance called hyaluronin that coats their cells and makes them more sensitive to when to stop dividing and forming tumors. They also have a much faster response to damaged DNA than other animals due to a larger and more stable presence of p53 protein. Another mechanism is thought to be their response to cellular senescence. Say that 10 times fast. This is a state in which cells cannot divide but are still alive. As senescent cells aren't dividing, they can originally help suppress tumors, but they also bring chronic inflammation and aging, which brings with it age-related diseases. We just can't win. Naked mole rats, however, can win. They experience senescence and then clinically get rid of senescent cells, instead of allowing them to build up like in humans. This essentially allows them to age healthier. As research into naked mole rats goes on, we might one day learn the secret to beating aging and even cancer. But for now, we can all agree that while naked mole rats may not be winning the evolutionary award for beauty, they're certainly winning the cancer-free one.